Pat wants to find a smartphone that has video capabilities, GPS, and excellent 4G broadband support in San Francisco. Google's first search result is a link to an entry in Elevation Communications end-user forum. Pat clicks on the link and is taken to Elevation's forum, which is powered by Lithium. Pat scans the forum post, but none of the mentioned smartphones meet her criteria. So Pat decides to reply with a question. In order to reply, Pat needs to be logged into the forum. Once logged in, she enters her question. What is the best smartphone I can buy with 4G, video, and GPS? Let's look at 3 ways that Pat's inquiry can be resolved. Option 1. Resolution via forum and chat. A superuser who sees Pat's question replies with a recommendation for a specific phone, but doesn't know the quality of 4G coverage in San Francisco. Pat checks out the reply and realizes that the response came from a highly trusted community member, so she is satisfied with the recommendation. However, she still has a question about 4G coverage. She decides to use chat to ask Elevation Communication directly. During the chat session, Elevation's employee is aware of the recommendation made by the community member, since the forum conversation is visible to the employee. Thus, the employee can quickly focus on answering the only remaining question that Pat has. Option 2. Assisted Service Resolution by Escalation to Agent-Assisted Service. A predetermined time elapses, and no response to Pat's inquiry has been posted. Therefore, one of Elevation Communications' agents is alerted to the unanswered forum post involving a potential revenue opportunity. He reviews Pat's question, which is now part of her customer record. The assigned agent responds to her query. He not only answers her question by recommending a specific phone, but without even being asked, he lets Pat know that Pat qualifies for an upgrade with a low activation fee and no change to her data plan. Pat is pleased with the recommendation and the special offer. She decides to purchase the phone. Option 3. Web-based customer callback. Given her current contract, Pat needs help finding a phone that matches her criteria. So she uses Elevation Communications' web callback function to ask Elevation to give her a call. Pat's request is routed to the next available Elevation agent, who promptly calls her. He informs Pat that her customer record indicates that she is looking for a smartphone with 4G broadband, video, and GPS. He then recommends the Nokia N900 and adds that she qualifies for an upgrade and a special promotion. Pat is impressed with the agent's expertise, as well as the specials. Since the Nokia N900 satisfies all her needs, she orders the phone. In summary, the joint Genesys Lithium solution seamlessly integrates social channels with traditional CRM. It allows for allocating a company's most valuable resources to the high-value business tasks, while utilizing the power of communities to create scale and speed. It improves conversion rates with the same level of business resources and, as a result, allows for a more profitable customer experience. Finally, it creates a sense of loyalty and engagement among your customer base. Community members, even those who are not super users, spend more money than non-members. And your most important customers may influence thousands of their peers. That's dynamic engagement. That's the power of the customer network.